Raw water treated with only chlorine is known as A. Plain chlorination, B. Pre-chlorination, C. First chlorination, D. De-chlorination. The correct answer is plain chlorination. The level of underground water is called A. Water level, B. Water table, C. Negative level, D. Invert level. The correct answer is water table. Per capita demand of water is calculated in liters. A. Per person per day, B. Per person per month, C. Per person per year, D. None of these. The correct answer is per person per day. PVC pipes can withstand pressure bead of water up to A. 25 m, B. 50 m, C. 75 m, D. 100 m. The correct answer is 100 m. The population of a city in 2000 is 50,000. The average increase in population over last 8 decades is 7,500 and average incremental increase during 8 decades is 750. The population of the city based on incremental method in the year 2020 will be A. 55,000, B. 6,500, C. 66,500, D. 72,500. The correct answer is 66,500. The duration of contact of chlorine with water before it is served to the first consumer should be at least A. 10 to 15 minutes, B. 15 to 20 minutes, C. 20 to 30 minutes, D. 30 to 40 minutes. The correct answer is 20 to 30 minutes. The diameter of pipes in bathrooms and lavatories in domestic water supply is A. 6 mm, B. 12 mm, C. 18 mm, D. 24 mm. The correct answer is 12 mm. M and N are monsoon duration factor and catchment factor respectively. If P is yearly rainfall in cm, runoff can be calculated by A. Velocity area method, B. Weir or spillway method, C. Use of venturimeter, D. Using power plant consumption. The correct answer is velocity area method. Most important method for calculating discharge for planning a water supply project is A. Velocity area method, B. Weir or spillway method, C. Use of venturimeter, D. Using power plant consumption. The correct answer is velocity area method. Open channels supported over terse leads are generally known as A. Raised canals, B. Aqueducts, C. Siphons, D. Flumes. The correct answer is flumes. In plain sedimentation tanks under normal conditions, impurities are removed up to A. 60, B. 70, C. 80, D. 90. The correct answer is 70. The valve fitted closely in a recess against an opening in a pipe is generally A. Wedge-shaped circular disc, B. Spherical disc, C. Parallelopiped disc, D. Conical-shaped circular disc. The correct answer is wedge-shaped circular disc. For calculation of economical diameter D of a pipe in meters for a discharge Q to be pumped in cubics, Lee suggested the empirical formula A. D 0.22 Q, B. D 1.22 Q, C. D 2.22 Q, D. D 3.22 Q. The correct answer is D 1.22 Q. An ideal sand for filters should be A. Free from dirt and other impurities, B. Uniform in nature and size, C. Hard and resistant, D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. The maximum non-verticality of the bore of a well 200 m deep may be permitted up to A. 25 centimeters, B. 50 centimeters. C. 75 centimeters. D. 100 centimeters. The correct answer is 100 centimeters. By adding 1 milliliter of orthotoluidine solution to 100 milliliters chlorinated water taken after contact period, the residual chlorine makes the color of solution A. Yellowish, B. Greenish, C. Bluish, D. Reddish. The correct answer is yellowish. From the surface of reservoir, evaporation may be minimized by sprinkling A. Spirit, B. Hydrochloric acid, C. Cetyl alcohol, D. Methane. The correct answer is cetyl alcohol. Pressure relief valves are provided in water mains. A. To reduce the pressure, B. At low points, C. Upstream of sloughs, D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. Pick up the incorrect statement from the following. A. Iron salts produce heavy flocks and hence remove more suspended matter. B. Iron salts remove hydrogen sulfides. C. Iron salts can be used over a limited range of pH values. D. Iron salts impart corrosiveness to water. The correct answer is iron salts can be used over a limited range of pH values. The percentage of chlorine in fresh bleaching powder is roughly A. 50 to 60, B. 30 to 35, C. 40 to 50, D. 20 to 25. The correct answer is 30 to 35. Higher yield may be expected from A. Gravity springs, B. Surface springs, C. Artesian springs, D. All the above. The correct answer is artesian springs. The intake opening is generally covered by a screen to prevent entry of debris etc. and its level is kept A. At the level of water of the source, B. At the bottom of water of the source, C. At about 2.5 m above the bottom, D. None of these. The correct answer is at about 2.5 m above the bottom. In rapid sand filters, the ratio of length and diameter of the lateral should not be greater than A. 10, B. 15, C. 20, D. 25. The correct answer is 20. The maximum permissible hardness for public supplies is A. 95 mg liter, B. 105 mg liter, C. 115 mg liter, D. 125 mg liter. The correct answer is 115 mg liter. Pick up the correct statement from the following. A. The pH value of neutral water is 7. B. The maximum acidity is obtained when pH value is 0. C. The maximum alkalinity is obtained when pH value is 14. D. All the above. The correct answer is all the above. For controlling algae, the most commonly used chemical is A. Copper sulfate, B. Alum, C. Lime, D. Bleaching powder. The correct answer is copper sulfate. Rapid sand filter. A. Should be preceded by coagulation and sedimentation. B. Uses rapid sand as filter media. C. Is used after slow sand filtering has been done. D. Can combine disinfection also. The correct answer is should be preceded by coagulation and sedimentation. Rapid gravity filters can remove bacterial impurities up to a maximum of A. 50, B. 60, C. 70, D. 80. The correct answer is 80. Runoff is the quantity of water which flows A. in sewer pipes, B. due to leakage in pipes, C. in rivers, D. none of these. The correct answer is in rivers. Efficiency of removing bacteria from raw water by a slow sand filter is A 80 to 81, B 85 to 86, C 90 to 97, D 98 to 99. The correct answer is 98 to 99. De-chlorination is followed by A. Post-chlorination, B. Pre-chlorination, C. Double-chlorination, D. Super-chlorination. The correct answer is super-chlorination. The bed slope in slow sand filters is generally kept A. 1 in 50, B. 1 in 75, C. 1 in 100, D. 1 200. The correct answer is 1 in 100. When gravity and pumping systems of water distribution are adopted, the type of distribution reservoir is A. Elevated tank, B. Ground source reservoir, C. INS tank, D. standpipe. The correct answer is elevated tank. The average domestic consumption under normal conditions in an Indian city per day per person is A. 105 liters, B. 115 liters, C. 125 liters, D. 135 liters. The correct answer is 135 liters.